Something else that can really come in handy is something like this little Topeak air gauge. Well, why would you buy one of these in particular? If you have a bike that requires high PSI, you really want to keep the air pressure accurate and close. And this is a great way that you can pop it on there. It swivels around 180 degrees if you're on another side of the bike and you can't see it. So the convenience factor really comes into play. And the more you bike, the more you really want that convenience. This thing is super compact. It's easy to carry in your pannier, or it's easy to carry in your saddlebag or in a pocket, you know, that sort of thing. So these are a really handy little device. And again, Topeak just makes some stellar stuff. This particular gauge, the official name, it's a SmartGauge D2. It's really accurate. It has a digital LCD readout. It goes up to 250 PSI, and for folks in some other parts of the world, that's 17 bars. It has what they call a smart head on the end of it, so it fits both Presta and Schrader valves. It has an air release button, the little yellow button, so you can let some of the air out of it if you need to. It's an air pressure unit selection, so if you need to change the unit of measurement, you know, depending on where you live. 180 degree rotating body, so you can spin it around to make it easier to see. But stuff like this, at first you want to save the money, but then when you get it, it becomes a must-have, you know, because of the convenience. It gets into your workflow. And tire pressure is easily one of the most overlooked parts of regular bike maintenance. This will help you prevent that.